Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wani May, and today I'm going to be doing my own lashes at home. Now I just moved and I haven't found a lash tech yet, and also I'm not ready to really spend that. I'm trying to get settled in, and also I just want to do a thorough search to find the right lash tech. So far I've just been like scrolling on Instagram. I haven't found anybody that is really sticking out to me. So for the time being, until I'm ready and I found somebody that is highly recommended, I'm going to do my own lashes. I do them occasionally from time to time, especially when I was in Johnson City. But if you're in the Johnson City area and you're looking for someone who does really good lashes, I used to go to Lash Addie. She's in Asheville, North Carolina. It's about an hour away. Definitely worth the drive, in my opinion. I will put her info somewhere so you check out her page. But today I will be using these. I use two glues. It just depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll just use the regular hair glue. Sometimes I use this. All right, clink clink, had to get some champagne. But yeah, I'm gonna get started. So I don't have like all of the Lash Tech supplies, so I'm using the little encasing that it came in to hold the glue in. Please keep in mind, I am not a professional. I pretty much learned this from YouTube University, just like the rest of us. And I don't recommend doing this way, but this is just how I do it. This is fairly easy and the process is pretty repetitive, so if you watch me, you see that I dip the lash cluster in the glue and then I just apply it underneath my lashes. And I just do that over and over again until I'm satisfied with the look. I don't have a fan, so as you can see, I'm using a little piece of paper to fan dry them. Again, I am not a professional. This is just what I have available to me. Make sure you have a spoolie so that you can brush out your lashes. This will help you throughout the process. I thought I was done, so I took my hair down, but after looking at them, I realized I wanted them fuller, so I added some more. Like I said, this is very easy. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. But this is what they look like. I know y'all see that. They came out so good. I do see a difference in my look. I do like the subtle difference that the lashes give you. And I can't wait until I find an actual lash tech to do my lashes. But I feel like if you're on a budget and you have the time, that you should definitely go ahead and do them yourself. The glue I got from Sally's, I believe. I got the lashes from Amazon, but I know they can be found in beauty supply stores, so it depends on where you are, if they have them. In total, I used one whole one and some of these. It says that there's 56 in a pack, I believe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with more content. Have a great day.